Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Ray-Ban 4202 Andys. So let's get started. As you can see right off the bat, these lenses are pretty beat up. I recommend you do not wait this long until your lenses are messed up. Once you kind of get a couple of nicks and bruises into them, they will start to affect your eyesight and the way light transmits through them. So even though they do look like this, do not wait until they get this bad, okay? So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Now once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. And now we're going to be locating sections here and here of your frame. Now once we've done that, we're going to pull out on these sections with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. So let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now you should hear the lens unseating like that. If you do hear a popping sound, do not be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame here. Alrighty, now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and rotate your frame. Locate sections here and here. And now we're going to be pulling out on these sections of the frame with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumbs to unseat it. Perfect. Now sometimes it can be a little bit of a struggle to remove your lenses, especially from Ray-Ban frames. These frames are built really sturdy and a little bit stiff actually. So if you are having trouble popping that lens out, go ahead and let your frame soak in warm water for a couple of minutes just to kind of loosen everything up, and it should help. Now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around like this. Have it facing towards you. And now we're going to locate the inside grooves of the frame. Now we're going to be lining up our lenses to these grooves here. I like to start off by lining up my lens to the top groove. Just makes it easier to insert. And today we're going to be installing our new Revo Ice Blue Seek Optic lenses. So go ahead and line up the top portion here of your lens with the top groove here. Now once we've done that, just the same way we did to remove them, we're going to be pulling out on these sections here and here of the frame. And as we pull out on these sections with these fingers, we're going to be pushing down on the lens to get it to seat in, okay? So we're going to pull out and push down. And you should hear that pop. Once you hear that pop, go ahead and run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure it's seated in there right. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate the top groove here. Line up your lens. Pull out on the sections here and here of the frame. With these two fingers, we're going to pull out as we push down to insert the lens. Now go ahead and run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure it's seated in there correctly. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch. It serves as a cleaning cloth for your lenses, so go ahead and give it a nice little wipe down. Take off any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation, oils, dust, anything like that. I'll help it take it right off. Look at that, like new. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you customize your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.